Hello everyone, welcome to Come Read With Me. Here we are going to take up one topic from the newspaper and break it down into a 3-minute explainer. And today's topic is from the Indian Express newspaper. So come read it with me. Today's topic is India, ninth among countries worst hit by climate disasters in last 30 years, says a report. So let's read it. India has been ranked ninth in the list of countries worst affected by climate-related disasters in the last 30 years. Now, this report says that India is among the top 10 countries globally that have suffered the most due to climate-related disasters in the past 30 years. The last time this index was prepared in 2023, India was ranked 8th. Now, it has, ranked 9th. So, this is written by Pradeep Acharya. This report has been written by Pradeep Acharya and it is published by a credible national daily, which is the Indian Express newspaper. Now, this shows a landslide scene representing one type of extreme weather event caused by climate change. It highlights visible and increasing climate impacts in India's hilly regions. German Watch NGO, based in Germany, publishes the Climate Risk Index CRI. It ranks countries by how severe they have been affected by climate changes, disasters like floods, cyclones, heat waves, etc. between 1995 to 2023, and India was ranked 8th last time, and India's slight improvement may reflect fewer severe disasters or better preparedness. Now, India's rank has also improved in the list of countries worst affected by disasters in the previous year from 10 in 2023 to 15 now. So again, that is also a win for us. For annual data, India's ranking improved even more, and this could be due to the fewer number of disasters happening in India, but could also mean that the country has been steadily improving resilience. Now, the article talks about that the report was prepared by analyzing present and historical climate data and was presented on the second day of the ongoing COP30 climate conference in Belém, Brazil, and this index was discussed during this. So yes, let's talk about the UPSC relevance now. It is very relevant for GS paper 1, which is geography. Climate related issues like disasters, floods, cyclones, droughts, landslides, regional vulnerability, example coastal and Himalayan regions, all this report talks about everything. And then GS paper 3 also, it is again very important, environment and disaster management. So climate risk index is published by German Watch, very important for factual details. India's exposure and vulnerability ranking also, policy response of NDMA and NAPCC, state action plans on climate change, everything is here. And then GS paper 2 again, which is international relations. It is also very important for that. There is a mention of COP30 of Belém, Brazil, which connects to international climate governance UNFCCC framework. So, and it is again very important for prelims and mains also. So that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching.